question is left unanswered. There's Mom showing Hope all the pictures of all the relatives. See? Don't know who any of these people are. Well, yeah, some of them. But Sherry has no idea who these people are. And then there's Pat. How's work, Pat?
Fine.
How's the hardware store? How's the fire department? Play your guitar.
I don't have.
Pretend.
I am out of key without it.
Well, then just sing. Then just sing for us.
That's one thing I can't do. The radio's doing fine.
Radio's doing fine.
Yeah.
And there's the fire. Ooh. Ah.
There's my
And then there's Auntie Janice. And how's motherhood?
Oh, just fine.
And this is the new little one?
Yes.
Marty Lynn. Not short for Martha either.
No, thank you.
How's fatherhood?
Fatherhood, it just don't get no better. I tell you what,
Oh, what did he say?
business is booming. People are dying left and right. I'm just staying so busy, I'm scaring myself. Everyone have a nice day.
Thank you.
Notice there's fatherhood right here. Motherhood it's called.
Yeah.
No
Parenthood,
fatherhood.
I done my job.
And here's the
Yeah, his
campsite.
job for a lifetime.
Hi there.
Tell us all about it,
I have
Tara.
to go get another Coke.
How was work today?
Good.
What'd you do?
Cook
What'd you cook?
stuff.
What kind of stuff?
It's nobody's business.
What is no one's business?
Because we ran out of food and I couldn't cook
Who are
anymore.
you with?
Jewel.
Jewel, and you can't, and Jewel ran out of food?
Well, there was like a fire. But I'll tell you later.
Okay.
Tell us now.
Oh, that's okay. She don't
I'd
have
rather
enough
know now. I
time.
may be sleeping later. Jewel ran out of food.
There was a fire.
They have a fire sale?
Yes. Now tell them about
Tell them
it.
about the fire sale? They had a fire sale at the Jewel, and I
What
tell you,
town?
they had some real hot items.
What town
They
is
were
this?
on left and right.
Orland?
And the food was very good in Bolingbrook. Now next time you go there,
Bolingbrook?
you see that.
Doesn't even
I
know
thought you were
where
at the fire.
Bolingbrook
They had a fire sale at Bolingbrook.
Orland.
Huh?
Orland.
is. Marty
Well,
Town.
New Orleans.
No.
Orleans.
Orland Park.
Orland Park.
You don't have your first idea where that's at.
Yeah, I do. They had a fire sale. I could see the smoke. Where the smoke was.
Notice how much weight Mikey's gained over the years?
Well, Maureen, let me hear that candle. I gotta go to the wide
That
lens.
candle?
Wide lens.
Yeah, tell
I
him
got
where
about 12.
Yeah, but you didn't have them.
How are the other ones?
Oh, they're doing good.
Do you ever see them or no?
Well, once a year.
Oh.
Yo, you got a can on top. A can on top. I didn't see anything wasted.
That's exactly what I thought.
What? Right down the middle.
Hey, Jenna! Jenna!
I ripped them down!
Go on your tent, close it up and get dressed. Hey, tent, the tent, no, the tent.
And get them.
got him dressed.
Okay. Talk about Arizona.
It's hot. It's hotter than hell. Lived there 17 years and I hate it in the summer.
You want to come back here?
No. Ask me why.
Why?
You don't want to know why.
Are you getting married again?
No, I'm all
Oh,
done
good.
with that. Don't go there.
Good.
Don't go there. I'm very happily married now.
Now.
How many times?
Great.
Wait a while, wait a while.
Third's a charm.
There's the charm.
Third's a charm. Hi,
I
Si.
just get,
Hi, Jody.
did somebody
Kelly.
just grab the
Si.
towels in the bag?
I said hi, Big Si.
Are you going down there to swim or something?
No, I'm not
You
going.
get him doing lumber.
Well, wait till you tell me who these pictures are.
Oh,
Get him working when he's mad.
well, I got all.
Get me working.
Lauren, you better go because I got all the floaties doing here for your kids.
Okay. Well, Terry has me messing with her camcorder. Emily!
PJ, be nice.
There's Brian. There's Brett, Pat and Hope's son. There's Jenna, Kathy's daughter. There's Lauren, Mike and Janice's daughter. If she ever turns around. There's PJ, Pat and Hope's youngest. And there's Terry.
How can I get rid of this I'm going to take all the
Who's Lauren?
Lauren's right there. This is the cement pond.
You're gonna be confused at school.
Hey, Terry. PJ.
I'm mad.
I'm mad.
Patrick, get this come on. Patrick, get this come on, okay?
Go along with it. You don't care.
You like to have a grin and bear it, you know?
Karen, go sit over there. Put the thing in the water.
Leave your beer here. What's that?
When you have grandkids, you will. Yes, Brian can swim with our floaties.